Let's have a quick revision on electrolysis of acidified water. So here pure water cannot be electrolyzed, so that's why we are acidifying the water before its electrolysis. And the reason why pure water cannot be electrolyzed, because pure water does not have free ions, but for the process of electrolysis there should be free ions in the given electrolyte. But here pure water is a polar compound, but it does not have ions. It will have only molecules. So that's why water is acidified to ionize the water molecules so that we can get free ions. And here dilute sulphuric acid is used, not other acids like hydrochloric acid and nitric acid cannot be used, but we have to use dilute sulphuric acid. The reason is sulphuric acid is a non-volatile acid, whereas other acids are volatile in nature. So that's why we prefer dilute sulphuric acid only. So when you add sulphuric acid to the water, so this will be the ionization of molecules. So here sulphuric acid undergoes ionization to form hydrogen ions and sulfate ions. And at the same time, it will ionize water molecules to give H plus ions and OH minus ions. Right? And so these H plus ions will go to cathode and sulfate ions and OH minus ions will migrate towards the anode. And this is the reaction at anode. So OH minus ions and sulfate ions both will be at anode, but sulfate ions are very difficult to get neutralized. So OH minus ions can easily be oxidized. So that's why OH minus ions will undergo oxidation to give OH radical, which is unstable. So 4 OH radicals will rearrange the atoms and they will form water and oxygen. So in order to balance this, you will have to multiply with 4 here. So here at anode, the product will be oxygen gas. So you will get oxygen gas at the anode. Simultaneously, at cathode, what happens? The hydrogen ions, the only positive ions in the solution, will be reduced at the cathode. So H plus 1 electron gives hydrogen atom. So to balance this equation with respect to this, again we multiply with 4 here. So 4 hydrogen atoms will form 2 molecules of hydrogen gas. So at cathode, you will get hydrogen gas as a product. And here you can see the volume of oxygen and the volume of hydrogen, if you compare, that will be in the ratio 1:2. So this is about the electrolysis of acidified water.